Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be doing a super exciting video. I have been dying for this to come in so I can finally do an unboxing, and here it is. It arrived today and I was like, we're doing it. Today we are gonna be unboxing another Fabfitfun box. So this is the box for fall. Can we just take a moment and look at how pretty this is? Honestly, just looking at this box makes me so excited for fall. Let me know if you're the same way, but there's something about fall that just makes me so happy. I love like the cool breeze and the pumpkins and Halloween and all that stuff. Let me know if you're the same way, but I love fall. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick little rundown explanation of what Fabfitfun is, just in case you aren't aware. But basically, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. So instead of getting it every month, you're gonna get it, fall, winter, spring, summer. And to me personally, I really like that because I just feel like it makes it so much more unique. Also, something that I really like is that this box is valued at over $200. And speaking about money, if you guys end up liking any of the products that I show in the box today, or if you want to just go check out the website, Fabfitfun did give me a discount code for you guys, which is Leah, and you can actually get the box for just $39.99. Also, I think I forgot to say this in my last Fabfitfun video, but this box is actually customizable. So if you do end up liking a certain item, you can actually pick that item to be in your box, which is really cool. Okay, I think that's enough chit chat. Hopefully I explained it well enough, but if you guys do want a little bit more information about Fabfitfun or the box, you can always go check out the website, which I will have linked down below. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I am really struggling to hold this up right now, but this is the first little look in the box. So let's just go ahead and take the magazine out. So this is just their magazine, which comes in every box. And this actually does have all of the products that are inside the box with their prices, which I'm not gonna look at yet because I want it to be a little bit of a surprise. And then the next thing on top here is a little card. It says, sometimes you don't need an inspirational quote, you just need wine. So this is a 50% off your first 6 personalized wine matches from the brand Bright Cellars. So this is kind of like one of those food services, but it's with wine instead. I actually don't really drink wine, so I will probably give this to somebody else, but that's actually really cool. And the next thing I see in here is just a coupon for HelloFresh, which is one of those monthly food services. And this is actually 10 free meals with purchase. That's actually really good. Starting off good. We got our food, we got our wine, and now it's time to really get into the box, which I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the first look inside the box. I'm trying to show it as best as possible, but unfortunately my address is right on the bottom here, so it's a little bit hard to show, but I'm seeing some goodies, guys. I cannot wait to dive in. I'm gonna start out with this one because it was right on top. So this is the Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-Step Pumpkin Spice. So is this a like nail kit or something? So it says includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits, sea salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. Ooh, that sounds really nice. Oh, this is for... You know what I was thinking? I was thinking nails. I was thinking manicure. This is pedicure. I always get those two mixed up. So this is for your feet. That's what the inside looks like right there. It just comes with a bunch of different packets. Okay, so they actually come all numbered. So this is number 1 right here. So basically, I think this is kind of just like a 4-step process that you do. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 1 is the salt soak. Number 2 is the sugar scrub. Number 3 is the mud mask. And then last but not least, we have the massage butter. Guys, I'm gonna be honest here. I have never in my life gotten a pedicure, so that might sound crazy, but I've never gotten a pedicure before. So I'm super excited to give this a go. It looks really relaxing. I think this is gonna be perfect for like if you're having like an at-home spa night or something like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly read the directions to this. So it says number 1, salt soak. Add desired amount to warm water and soak skin. Number 2, sugar scrub. Gently massage onto foot and lower leg, rinse thoroughly with water. Number 3, mud mask. Apply onto the foot and lower leg after washing and pat dry. Leave for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Number 4, massage butter. Massage onto foot and lower leg until thoroughly absorbed. Guys, tell me if I'm the only one here, but when I first saw this box, I thought it was like an eyeshadow palette or makeup palette. Like, does that not look like an eyeshadow palette to you? Also, I forgot to say, this is by the brand Vosh New York. I've never heard of them before. Let me know if you guys have. And I also just want to say that everything in here is vegan, so that's really cool too. Next product we're just gonna blindly choose. We have the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, color safe. So I'm assuming this is for your hair. So it says a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother and stronger hair. It says apply from ends to scalp, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. I really want to smell this and see what it smells like. Ooh, I like that a lot. That smells really nice, guys. Like, oh my gosh, it smells good. It's not like a super strong scent, like it's kind of on the lighter side, but I am honestly getting like a hint of cologne, which I actually really like a lot. So that's what the product looks like there. I am somebody with very damaged hair. There's been a lot of bleach on this head, a lot of breakage. It's not fun. So I actually love receiving products like this because I'm definitely going to use this. The thing about receiving like a treatment for your hair, it's kind of like the same thing as receiving like something for your skin. You never know how it's going to work for you. It might work perfect for somebody else, but it might work awful for you. So I'm definitely going to have to give this a go and really test it out to see if it does anything. But I am super excited about this. Also, the package is really freaking cute and I love it. So, okay, next thing we have is this right here. It feels like sunglasses to me. It says blue light blocking eyewear. So it just comes in this little bag like that. And it's from the brand Nectar. I've never heard of them. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, I've got to try these on. For some reason, the arms on these glasses are like incredibly stiff. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like, look how stiff they are. Okay, these are kind of like the cutest things ever. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna be wearing these legit all the time. And I probably have little glasses marks on my nose right now, so that's wonderful. Like it says on the packaging here, these are blue light blocking eyewear. So basically, from my understanding, blue light blocking eyewear is anything to do with like computer screens, phone screens, which is actually perfect for me because I'm pretty much always working on my computer. The only thing that kind of sucks though is that I'll have to wear my contacts whenever I want to wear these because there is no prescription in these. And unfortunately, I am blind as a bat. Honestly, that's not a big deal at all. I'm actually very curious to see if these do block that blue light. Apparently that light does give you headaches. That's what I've heard anyways. So with wearing the blue light blocking glasses, it prevents headaches and stuff like that. That's what I've heard anyways. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's correct anyways. So I'm very excited about these. They also are the cutest little tortoiseshell print and I love this kind of shape. Okay, next thing, I'm grabbing something big here. We've got Kit Hydration. I'm reading the French side. Okay. Guys, it's a mason jar. So it says mason jar hydration kit. I love mason jars. I just have this weird obsession with mason jars. I love them. I think they're so cute. I don't really know exactly what this is, but it says mason jar and I'm already over the moon. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh my God, this is so pretty, you guys. Look at this color. So it's not exactly like, I thought this was gonna be like a mason jar shape, but I'm curious, is it an actual, oh, it's glass. That is so cool. So it's not like the mason jar shape, but you're getting like that mason jar glass and like the style of it. So that's the front right there. And then it does have like measurements on this side there. I love this, you guys. This honestly might be my favorite thing so far. I'll probably use it more without the sleeve on it than with because I just love the way that this looks. But I want to go ahead and read the box just to read more about it. So it says it has a multifunctional drink lid, premium glass mason jar, and insulating neoprene sleeve. Okay, I'm gonna be a little bit picky here, you guys, but I kind of do wish it was in a different color than this like bright mint green. Like this doesn't really scream fall to me, you know what I mean? But either way, still gorgeous, still amazing, still probably gonna be my favorite thing out of this entire box, let's be real. Okay, next thing, this is the NCLA Los Angeles Treatments So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. That was a mouthful. To be honest, I don't think I've ever in my life used a cuticle oil. Honestly, I don't even really know like what the benefits to that are, but really excited to give this a go. Of course, we gotta give it a sniff, obviously. Wait, oh my goodness. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells exactly like straight up vanilla. Like this smells amazing. Okay, so that is what the bottle looks like right there. I'm actually super excited to give this a go and try it out. Lately, I've been like really into painting my nails and shaping them and making them look nice. For once in my life, I've always like really just not cared about my nails. Honestly though, guys, even if this does nothing, I'm still gonna use it because the smell of this is amazing. Next, we have the Glossmetics hair removal device. Okay, that sounds interesting. So that's what it looks like right there. So I just took it out of the package and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is the hair removal device right here. And guys, look at the tip on this thing. It looks insane. Please don't mind at how I absolutely destroyed this box, but I'm just gonna go ahead and read the directions here. So it says, this device will instantly and painlessly sweep away any unwanted hair from any area of your body. Its discreet and portable design will allow you to carry it with you anywhere. It includes one hair removal device, one AA battery, one cleaning brush, and one instruction manual. I'm just gonna go ahead and read this little instruction manual really quick, put it together, and then I'll come back when it's ready to go. Okay, we're back, we're ready to go. I've got it all put together. It's super easy to put together, by the way, so there we go. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on my leg. Let's like try it on my knee or something like that. because let's be real here. We could shave our legs completely and there will somehow still be hair on our knees. I don't know where it comes from. Okay, so basically what it says to do is just place it flat on your skin like that. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Oh yeah, that definitely worked. Awesome. I think this would be really cool to keep in like your purse. I know for me sometimes I'll go out, I'll have like, you know, shorts or a skirt on, and then I'll look at my leg and like I said, see like a spot of hair I missed. So this would be really cool just to chuck in your purse for, you know, situations like that. Also, I really like the design of this. I think it's super cute. I love the colors on it. I think it's so pretty. I think we're nearing the end, guys. I don't think there's many left. So this right here is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk nourished with coconut and argan oils. So what is this exactly? Glow Milk is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter. Oh, this is a highlighter, duh. Why didn't I think of that? It says enriched with coconut, Glow Milk hydrates while illuminating the skin. Achieve a healthy, luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of our illuminating milk on the high points of your face and collarbone. Blend with fingertips for natural radiance. This packaging though, I love it. Okay, that looks stunning. I think we should just go ahead and put some on. I think I'm gonna put some on my collarbone area. So it's a couple drops and then to blend in. I might have did a little bit too much. Probably should have been doing that with an actual mirror back there instead of my camera, but I just went ahead and blended that in a little bit more, but I think that looks so nice. It's like, you can see it when it catches the light there, it looks stunning. You know, one thing I didn't check though, does it have a smell? No, actually it doesn't have any smell at all. I'm actually super happy about this. I love highlighters. Like I said, I'm probably gonna be using it a lot on my body, like my collarbones, maybe even like my shoulders a little bit. But I'm actually kind of surprised that this is in the fall box instead of the summer, because to me this just seems like more of like a summer thing, you know what I mean? But either way, I'm glad I got it. Love it, already obsessed with it, and definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this. Sadly, we have reached the last thing in the box. It's a biggie, and to me it looks like it's a tote. It's a basket. No, I thought it was a tote bag at first. Oh my gosh. I have been like obsessed with baskets lately. I love them. I already know my mom is gonna like fight me on this and want this, but I might have to keep this one, Mom. I know you're watching. Might have to keep this one. Okay, so this is from the brand Melange. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right or not, but you guys can have a look at the tag there and see. So this says that it is a foldable cotton basket, handcrafted design, 100% cotton yarn, polyester thread. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have no words. This is stunning. It's funny because I'm literally redoing my room right now with this like kind of exact theme, like the boho, a lot of like baskets, a lot of wicker, and this perfectly goes with my room. So pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness. Imagine like a big tall plant in this, or even you could do like a small like blanket folded over like that. Oh, that would be so pretty. I said the mason jar bottle was my favorite, but now I don't know. I think this one might be my favorite because this is seriously so gorgeous. I'm gonna assume already right now that this one is worth a lot of money because it does feel really nice quality. And it did say that it was handcrafted, so that's amazing. Okay guys, so that was everything in my fall Fabfitfun box. But now the super exciting part, we get to add up all of the items that we got and figure out what this box was actually worth. So like I said earlier, this magazine does have all the products that you can get inside with their actual costs. So let's go ahead and find that page and add up what this box is worth. Okay, so I just finished adding up all of the items in my box, and my box is worth $273.49, which is insane. But anyways guys, that is the end of today's video. Let me know which item was your favorite in the comments down below. Like I said, I think I have a tie right now for my favorite item, which is the basket and the mason jar bottle. I love those so much, but yeah, I love everything in here. I think they're all seriously so amazing. So worth it, you guys. Like I was saying earlier, if you guys do want to get a good deal on this box, definitely use my code MorganLeah. It will also be in the description bar below. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram. I'm always posting on there, always on there. So if you want to keep up with me, definitely recommend checking it out. It's always linked down there below. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!